Extension Mathletes, let's check that you know how to expand before your HSC exam. This one comes to us from 2022 and it's asking us to find the coefficients of x squared and x to the 3 in the expansion of this guy to the power of 8. Before we do that, let's just do a real quick revision of how we do binomial expansions. Let's say we had a plus b to the power of n. Here is the pattern. We start off with a combination of 0 from whatever n is. We do the first term to the power of n and the second term to the power of 0. Now we just work through this, and each time we go to the next term, these two numbers are going to increase by 1, and this power is going to decrease by 1. So next one, we have 1s here, and we have 1 less in the power of a, and then so on and so forth. We have 2 here, and then 2 less, and that's the pattern. And if you understand that, you can always handle these questions. Let's apply that to our expansion up here. So our first term is going to be, our power is 8, so we're doing 8c0. We've got the first term, which is 1 to the power of 8, and my second term is negative x over 2, so I'm doing that in a bracket to the power of 0. Now I've got my structure set up. It's really easy. I just move through and I increase these two numbers by 1 and I decrease the power of the 1 by 1. So now I've got 8c1, I've got a power of 1 here and a power of 7 here. Next one's going to be 8c2 with a power of 6 and a power of 2. And the next one we're going to have 8c3 with a 5 here and a 3 here. Now I can stop right there because I'm only looking for the coefficients of x squared and x to the 3. And I can see right here, I'm going to have my x squared. And I can see here I'll have my x cubed. So I'm just going to stop there and simplify these and then see what my coefficients are. At the front, I've got 1 times 1 times 1. So I've just got 1. Then I have 8 times 1 times x over 2 with a negative. So I've got negative 8 over 2x. For the third term, I've got 28 times 1 times x over 4, and squaring that negative has made that positive. So we've got 28 over 4 with the x squared. Then for the cubic, we've got 56 for our 8c3. We've got times 1, and then we have x cubed over 8, which is 2 cubed. And cubing a negative is going to keep that negative. So in our expansion, all the odd powers are going to have negatives, and all the evens will be positive. Now stopping there, I only really care about these two numbers. So I'm pretty much done here because 28 over 4 is 7. And negative 56 over 8 is negative 7. So my two answers for 2 marks are looking like this. We have our coefficients are 7 and negative 7, and that's full marks. Good luck for your HSC exam. Hope this helped.